नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज के वीडियो में मैं फैशन इलस्ट्रेशन बना रहा हूँ और वो है 3 फैशन इलस्ट्रेशंस फॉर फीमेल मॉडल। जनरली ये भी क्लाइंट बेस्ड फैशन इलस्ट्रेशन है जो कि ब्राइडल सेरेमनी के लिए बनाया गया है। बेसिकली आई एम डूइंग द टोन्स ऑफ ब्लू एंड इट इज द गारमेंट व्हाट एवर आई एम मेकिंग इज लहंगा साड़ी। वी आर गोइंग टू सी हाउ आई डू द फैशन इलस्ट्रेशन फ्रॉम द बिगिनिंग। लाइक आई लाइक टू डू बेस कलर first, then I try to work on the depth of field for the fashion illustration. And in this video you are going to see how I am focusing on the facial expression and the shadow, especially the shadow, which is going to play a vital role for any sort of fashion illustration. Generally the app I'm using is PROCREATE app. If you are in doubt that what sort of software I use for fashion illustration on my iPad, that is PROCREATE, which is very amazing and you can use it for your any kind of category for a design purpose. That will definitely help you. And the time it takes me for this was more than a 9 hour. I generally try to take 2 days of time to complete my fashion illustration, because if I start doing it in a one day, my brain is going to exhaust and the output won't be that great. And I hope you are going to enjoy this video. Till then, have a great time, enjoy this and learn something from this fashion illustration. I hope it will inspire you a lot to make a better version of your fashion illustration. तब के लिए आप enjoy करिए।
Shining down on you chipped your nail, you stubbed your toe, you lost your phone. Life's a rolling stone on a broken roller coaster. It's all good, move on. Throw your hands up, move on. It's all good, today is your day. Time is filled with swift transition. Put yourself in good position if you want. Things can go your way. Ain't no time to smell the roses. Gotta get to where to go. The road's already been paved. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you, can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hinges for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my lucky charms, time to move along. Yeah, I'm making a move. to play. You gotta move, you can't lose. Get in the groove, you can't lose. Speed bumps only make you aware. It starts in your heart, so reach for the stars. You know you got charm, you can't do no harm. I hope you're prepared, cause when you get there, you'll be laughing and wilding like the principal. Here I go, ready now. I'm coming for you, can't nothing stop me. I got some things I gotta do. Hey, 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 hey. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hinges for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my lucky charms and to move along. Yeah, I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Got this feeling, yeah. Got this feeling, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I got this feeling, yeah. Got this feeling, yeah. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be okay. I'm making a move. Study long, study wrong. Ain't nothing gonna happen on its own. I'm making a move. Don't need no hinges for this song. I got joy all through my soul. I'm making a move. Get up, get out. Mr. Sun is shining on me. I'm making a move. Got my lucky charms and to move along. Yeah, I'm making a move. Might as well choose the day to live. I'm making a move. I'm making a move. Move out my way, devil.
I hope you're going to make some move in your life, either in your career, health or overall your lifestyle. ज़रूर कुछ करिएगा, कुछ improve करिए so that your life becomes way better and the better version of you is visible to everyone. तो वैसे तो ये illustration complete होने ही वाला है. I'm in the end. I was very much excited to work on this illustration and I was waiting while doing this illustration. I was much expecting कि कुछ अच्छा output निकल के आएगा because the tone of the blue color was much exciting for me. So उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए पीस एंड स्टे सेफ एट होम.